In this video, you will learn how to set up the ZT610 DPI micro-label printer. Unbox the printer and remove all packing materials from it. Open the media door. Open the printhead assembly. Open the rewind pinch roller. Load media and ribbon into the printer. Close the rewind pinch roller and the printhead assembly. Close the media door. Install the latest Zebra printer driver. It is essential that the driver is installed before connecting the printer to your computer to prevent Windows from installing the wrong driver. Connect the printer power cable and the USB cable. Turn on the printer. The ZT610 micro-label printer is now set up for operation.